सो हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। अभी हम बात करने वाले हैं गूगल पिक्सल 10, 10 प्रो, एक्सेल, फोल्ड, जो भी उनके लाइनअप्स आए हैं उनके बारे में। ये इंट्रो तो बहुत तगड़ा था। चलो आगे इस वीडियो को देखते हैं कि वो कैसा है। तो गाइज ये जो हुआ था गूगल का इवेंट हुआ था और आप देख सकते हो गूगल के कितने सारे लाइनअप्स है इधर। बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लाइनअप लग रहा है और बहुत इम्प्रूव हो गया है गूगल पिक्सल।
What are we looking at? What are we talking about today?
Okay, I'll get started because I know you are ready to go. I can feel it. I can feel the vibes.
Yes.
Okay, so as we celebrate our 10th generation of our amazing history, I do have to say we are most excited about what's coming next.
Yeah. Love that.
So, you want to talk about what's next?
Please.
Okay, so the first thing I'll say before we get into these amazing devices on the table is at Pixel, we are obsessed with making devices that people want in their lives, with all the AI tools you need to do more of what you love or less of what you don't.
Yeah. What's keeping people from loving their phones?
So we think about that quite a lot. So one of the things we think are keeping people from loving their phones is phones can be built to be a little bit distracting, and they could take up too much of people's time. And they're often a walled garden. And I'm going to try not to be too techie today. So walled garden, I'm even new to tech, and I was like, what the heck is that? So walled garden simply means some companies build their phones to lock you in and force you to use their devices in only one way. And it seems like that way sometimes doesn't work exactly as you expect or maybe as you need. Have you ever experienced that?
Yes.
Speaking, we built, and it's
Yes.
to a pixel. Talk about exact things. So all the time, so it's the best. Okay, so let's with the 10. It's powerful, it's fast, and feel the satin finish on the edges and the camera bar.
Ooh, silky.
See what I'm saying? The design and the aesthetic is unbelievable, and it's a Pixel, so the camera is unbelievable, and the colors, we think, look at this palette. We think these colors are sexy as hell.
Wow, so amazing.
Yeah, well, it's Wednesday afternoon. Let's be PG, okay?
Okay, that's fair.
But yes, they are sexy.
It is Wednesday afternoon. I think you said that in the opening monologue. But we're live streaming around the world. It's 5 p.m. somewhere, so maybe we get just a little spicy.
All right, here we go. All right,
okay.
I like that.
Okay. As we have a fancy name for all of this, it's called Material
ये सब
3
फीचर्स वगैरह बता रहे हैं वो
because
लोग।
Pixel 10 is just
पीछे देख सकते हो आप गूगल पिक्सल 10 प्रो है, बहुत तगड़ा होने वाला है।
On top of that, and we'll talk a lot about this a little bit later on, we've got something called ProRes.
ये देखो ये वाला जो है बहुत तगड़ा फीचर है।
Zoom on any smartphone, and it lets you zoom up to 100x.
ऐसा लग रहा है नॉर्मल पिक्चर है।
So this picture looks incredible, right?
Oh my God, yeah, that's me driving into work this morning.
It looks just like New York City.
Yeah.
100x पे हो।
Because you'll see that it
5x,
might not if you
2x,
take it from where we actually took this shot from.
0.5x.
Way back there.
देख सकते हो सैमसंग के लिए किलर आ चुका है अभी।
Now that's you driving in from.
बहुत
exactly.
अमेजिंग है।
Exactly. So not only do we have ProRes zoom and everything else we talked about, the Pixel 10 Pro is extremely fast. Now that's credit to our Google Tensor G5 chip.
Tensor! Come on. You know there's Tensor nerds out there know what I'm talking about. Tensor G5!
हम लोग की मस्ती मजाक चल रही है। तो आगे देखते हैं और क्या फीचर्स है। 10 प्रो तो आप देख चुके हो, कितना मस्त दिख रहा है।
Faster.
I'm loving everything.
Design crew. So maybe we Vanna White a little bit.
कलर देखो यार, वो कितना सही लग रहा है वो उसके हाथ में।
Oh, yeah.
We've got more Moonstone. If you pick this one up.
Sorry. I didn't know which one you wanted to pick. Yeah. Of course.
We've got beautiful jade.
Jade, of course.
वो जो लाइट क्रीम कलर था वो भी मस्त था। और
and then finally you can get this
ब्लैक भी
guy.
मस्त लग रहा है।
Powerful.
भाई वो कितना प्रीमियम लग रहा है। मेरे को सबसे अच्छा कलर मैं बता रहा हूँ वो ग्रे वाला लगा है 10 प्रो में।
Yep.
So that
और इनका फोल्ड का भी दिख रहा है।
Now I've got one more.
भाई साहब फोल्डिंग का आ चुका है।
Your heart lies.
Oh my goodness.
So the Pixel 10, it's in your hands now.
Yes, come on.
The Pixel 10 Pro Fold really stands out in a crowd because it reimagines what a phone can and should be. As Jimmy is showing us as our model,
so rad.
It is a phone. It is a tablet.
ये
it
कलर
is a
मेरे को
movie
बहुत
screen.
पसंद आया।
We believe it is absolutely incredible.
It's so thin.
ग्रे कलर ही
It's so
बोल सकते
thin.
हैं।
It's so flexible. And we talk about this quite a lot. It's
बहुत
pencil
पतला दिख रहा है
thin,
इनके हाथ
but
में।
it's extraordinary. This phone.
अभी तक ये लॉन्च नहीं हुआ है, इनके सिर्फ मतलब लॉन्च हो चुका है, बट अभी तक मार्केट में नहीं आया है।
No foldable has done this.
That is correct.
You're the
बहुत सही लग रहा है
first to
फोन।
something you need.
मैक्सिव भी ऐड कर दिए ये लोग।
Did you say
That's good.
And we love everybody in the game.
और ये watch भी आएगी इनकी।
Google's helpfulness. So you get your Fitbit stats.
ये Google
your
event है
Gemini Assistant,
2025 बोल सकते हैं हम।
And just on a little bit more of a serious note.
Yeah.
The Pixel Watch plus of now back.
That's fantastic.
Okay.
Great.
Okay, तो ये है Google के
You can talk
Pixel
about
Buds
that. You get the new adaptive audio, and
Pro
that's just
2.
great for those moments where you need to block out some noise, but let the important sounds come through.
Yep.
On top of that, we're adding loud noise protection. I don't need to describe what that means. I think we all know.
Yep.
And so if you already own a pair of Pixel Buds Pro 2, just like we talked about earlier with new features rolling out constantly, your buds just got better. So congratulations.
Wow.
भाई वो जो
That's it.
आदमी
So
है
you own it already. You're getting an update.
वो तो पूरा
so you own
मतलब
these
उसे कुछ
already,
पता ही
so
नहीं
you're
ऐसा
getting
लग
the
रहा है।
update.
Yeah. So in an update in a couple of months, my mom calls me. I can go like that.
Yes.
And okay. Okay.
But-
Stop calling me, Mom. Yeah.
That's right, and we're gonna hope she's not watching.
Yeah. Oh no. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Turn your computer off.
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay, and now let's talk about
She's calling right now.
let's talk about the new, and that is the Pixel Buds
ये सब
2A.
Google Pixel की ये
Okay,
है।
so these are the best of pure audio. Also, so about and the your slides simply right over.
AI है
Very
शायद
simple.
ये इनका
There's
देखते
nothing to be
AI
afraid of.
कैसा है।
It works.
Okay, so that's thing one.
Inbox is out of control, and you said that my Pixel.
Which means this is,
It's a balance.
but we can help you out. We
Thank
can help
you.
you out here.
Okay.
Let's start at the top. Actually, that's my boss, Rick.
Yep.
So he messaged you. Let's get back to him.
Yep. There's Rick there. He says to me, "When are we getting dinner tonight?"
ये सब
Now,
Google
I've
के
already made
You
इनके
looking
ये
at
है।
what you're trying to do,
मैं
and then
आपको
it
phone
connects the
दिखाता हूँ
dots
सीधा।
across all the different apps on your phone.
That's so cool. Let's do some more.
Take it away.
Steph Curry, what time do you land in the Bay? So this is me going to San Francisco, and then it found when I am going to San Francisco, like a.
That's it. Yep. Magic. You can find just the right bit of information that you need, and then bring it
ये सब
straight
इनके
to you.
फीचर्स बता रहे।
Wow.
पूरे इवेंट्स में
that-
फीचर्स
he does that
है।
too.
चलो इनके मेन इनके टॉप 10 बेस्ट मोमेंट्स देखते हैं। चलो।
What a show! We just wrapped Made by Google 2025 and it was everything. In honor of the 10th generation of Pixel that just dropped, here are my top 10 favorite highlights that you need to know about. Number 10 has to be this incredible lineup of all new products. Meet Pixel 10,
ये वाला
Pixel
एक
10
कलर
Pro
मुझे
in
बहुत
two
ज़्यादा पसंद
sizes,
है।
Pixel 10 Pro Fold,
बहुत sleek
Pixel
लगेगा ये
Snap,
हाथ में
Pixel
जब
Watch
होगा
4,
फोन
Pixel Buds 2A, and Pixel Buds Pro 2 just got a software update.
White भी सही लग रहा
That
है
was
वैसे
a
तो।
mouthful.
ये
And
blue
we're
भी।
still on number 10. Number 9 is
Pro का कलर
Gemini.
अच्छा है।
Your built-in AI assistant now lives across Pixel Phone, Watch, and Buds. And it's coming soon to your car and home speakers and
क्या
displays.
तगड़ा है animation
Plus,
वगैरह
you
use
can
कर
share
रहे
your
हैं
phone's
ये
camera with Gemini Live to get help in the moment.
Gemini, which one of these can go faster?
The one on the right.
Number 8 are those Pixel Buds I mentioned earlier. These things are awesome. Pixel Buds Pro 2
बहुत
are
सारी
getting a
चीजें
software
मिल रही हैं।
upgrade that includes head gestures, adaptive audio, loud noise protection, and more. And the new
Whoa.
Pixel Buds 2A are smaller, lighter, and they twist to adjust. Isn't that right, Kareem?
100% agree.
At the
pink color
number
भी मस्त
7
लग रहा है।
spot is Pixel Watch
Girls
4.
के लिए।
This thing has it all. Not only does it look beautiful with a new Actua 360 dome display, it's also a safety device and a top-tier health and fitness watch with Fitbit.
Okay, that's the key to building fitness, babe.
Speaking of health and fitness, we
Pixel
just
Watch
announced our
बहुत
newest
beautiful
Google
दिख रही है, सही
edition,
बता रही हो।
the one, the
मुझे
only
golden
Stephen
color
Curry,
पसंद है, golden
who will
color
help
मस्त
take
लग
our
रहा है।
personal health coach to the next level. In at number 6 is the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. It's a phone, it's a tablet, it's a movie screen. It's incredible, and it fits in your pocket.
This is so rad.
Number 5 is video generation, and it will blow your mind. VO3 lets you easily create high-quality videos of almost anything you can imagine right in your
यही
phone.
कलर
My platform is
मैं
simple.
बता रहा हूँ बहुत
More
ट्रेंड करेगा।
treats.
Number 4 feels like magic. The new Magic Q feature on Pixel 10 gives you the information you
VO3
need,
but
when you need it, where you need it.
बहुत कम वीडियोस आते
Look
हैं।
at that.
Pretty magical, right?
Easy.
In at number 3, editing your photos just got a whole lot easier. You can now ask Google Photos to create the perfect image by simply typing in what you want to have done to it. No expertise required.
Oh my god. Oh my
There
god.
you go.
And for number 2, we need to get close for
Editing
another
full
new
AI se
camera
hoga
feature.
Google
The incredible ProRes
Photos
zoom
pe.
capabilities on
Google
Pixel 10
Photos ke
Pro.
through.
This thing can zoom up to 100x.
If you see where we actually took this shot from, way,
Whoa.
ये 100x
back
तो
there.
बहुत
Last but not least,
Danger.
number 1 is here to help us take better photos. Camera Coach is built right into your Pixel camera and gives you pointers on how to snap great pics. Just ask Alex Cooper.
बहुत दूर का शॉट है ये.
Money, baby.
There we go.
And that's a wrap. But those 10 highlights are just scratching the surface.
जो new
Check out the
photographers
full
हैं
show
उनके लिए
for some incredible
बहुत अच्छा
moments
होगा.
and an all-new music video.
तो कैसा लगा आपको ये वीडियो गाइस? गूगल पिक्सल आपको कौन सा कलर अच्छा लगा कमेंट में बताओ. और इसके अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियोस आएंगे ज़रूर, मतलब जो यूट्यूबर्स डालेंगे. बहुत तगड़ा लग रहा है मुझको कि बहुत सही फ़ोन बनाए हैं गूगल ने, बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव है 9 to 10 में. तो इफ़ यू आर ट्राइंग टू अपग्रेड टू फ्रॉम 9 to 10 देन बहुत अच्छी बात है वो. तो सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग गाइस. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.